Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change main display monitor on Windows 11. Right now I'm using a laptop and my second monitor, and I want to make my second monitor the main display. So what we need to do is click with your right mouse click on your desktop and go to display settings. Then right now make sure that the multiple displays option is on. So click here on the arrow so you will see all these settings. And right now, if you can see, my main monitor or main display is my laptop. Right now we want to change this, so we click here on my second monitor and now we make this my main display. Now right now, if you can see, my monitor is the main display, and this is exactly how you can change your main display on your laptop or monitor. If you want to get your display on your laptop back, then click on 1 and click on make this my main display again. And this is exactly how you can change main display monitor on Windows 11. Hopefully this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.